Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a portfolio in Weebly. First, select a clean, professional theme that highlights your creative work. Weebly offers many options, so pick one that aligns with your style. Next, use the intuitive drag-and-drop editor to add your content. You can easily place text, images, and even videos. Remember to organize your projects into clear sections, making it simple for visitors to explore your impressive body of work. This initial setup is crucial for a strong first impression. Now, let's focus on adding your actual work. Upload high-resolution images and videos to ensure your projects look their absolute best. For each piece, write a concise yet compelling description. Explain your contribution, the tools you used, and the results achieved. Consider creating individual project pages to provide more in-depth details, perhaps including process shots or client testimonials. Aim for about 5 to 10 strong projects to start, showcasing your diverse capabilities. Customization is key to making your portfolio uniquely yours. Dive into Weebly's design settings to adjust fonts, colors, and backgrounds. Choose a palette that reflects your personal brand and maintains a professional aesthetic. Ensure your design is consistent across all pages for a cohesive look. Importantly, check that your portfolio is fully mobile responsive. This guarantees a seamless viewing experience for everyone, whether they are on a desktop, tablet, or smartphone. Finally, it's time to publish and share your amazing portfolio. Consider connecting a custom domain name. It adds a professional touch and makes your site easy to remember. Optimize your site for search engines by including relevant keywords in your descriptions and page titles. Once live, actively share your portfolio link across all your social media platforms and professional networks. This step is vital for reaching potential clients or employers and showcasing your talent to the world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.